shoelace formula for finding the area of polygon. This is used when the vertices of the polygon are given and we have been asked to find the area. Very important concept for your IMO and also for JEE. Okay, so this is the example that we will use to illustrate the formula. It's very simple, so just follow along. Okay, so this is the polygon that we have been given. So P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5, these are the vertices, and what we have been given is the location or the Cartesian coordinates of these vertices. Okay, so that is the thing that we have been given, and we have been asked to find the area of this polygon. Okay, so that is what we have been asked. A very simple concept. So first thing that we do is that we arranged all the vertices like this. Okay, so this is at the top, this 1 3 7, this 1 3 7, these are actually the x coordinates. So these are the x coordinates. Okay, and at the bottom right here we have the y coordinates. Okay, so that is what we have done. We have written the x coordinates of all the points, we have written the y coordinates of all the points, and we have written it so that the last one is actually just same as the P1. So we start with P1, okay, and we end also at P1. So P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, and the last one, the P1, we have just repeated, we put it in the beginning as well as in the end. Now once we have written it in this way, then the things become very simple. What we do is that we write 2 times the area. Now these are actually the holes in which we are going to put our shoelaces. That is how you should think about it. So how do we put the shoelaces? So we do it in a criss-cross manner. So we go from here to here, and this is the first tie. This is where our shoelace goes first, 1 into 1, and we write 1, and then minus, we go from 6 to 3, right? From when we go from top to bottom, the sign is positive. When we go from bottom to top, the sign is negative. Okay, so that is the first one. 1 minus 6 3s are 18. That is what I have written. Then plus. Then we do the same thing for 3 2. Okay, so this 3 first it was with the 1. Okay, so first this was P1 P2. So first we did our shoelace thing for P1 P2. Now we do it for P2 P3. Okay, so now we do it for P2 P3. So what do we do? 3 2s are 6 minus 1 into 7 7. Okay, then the same thing we do for P3 P4. P3 P4 28. Okay, and then minus 8. Okay, then same thing we do for P4 P5. 4 5s are 20 minus 8 4s are 32. Okay, very simple. Everything is very systematic. And the same thing we do for P5 and P1. Okay, so we go back one full circle. So what do we get? Plus 8 6 are 48 minus 5 1s are 5. Very simple. Okay, now we compute this. This is, note that this is 2 times the area. So now we compute this, we do this arithmetic. Okay, it is very simple. I am sure you will be able to do this, and you will come up with an answer of 2a is equal to 33. Therefore a would come out to be 16.5, and that is our answer. The shoelace formula for area of polygon, this is how we apply it. Proof we will discuss in a separate class, so do subscribe to this channel. Very important concept for your IMO. Expect a problem on this definitely. Okay, and if you want to practice more such problems, visit DoorstepTutor.com and go to the IMO section. Start practicing problems there, because without practicing maths you will never be able to succeed in the exam, maths exam. Okay, thank you.